Howdy doody, and welcome to another little adventure. And today we have come to Ingleton Waterfall Trial. So got us first image. Just looking straight down there. We've got a nice little left bend going up. So we'll see how this works out, and we'll make our way further up. It does get quite busy here. My daughter's come along this time. She's a bit camera shy, so she's turning away. Look. But this is a good starting point, is this, for the trail we're about to do. As we're walking up, just past the money tree, and again, broken logs, lots of pennies in. So make sure you're not coming in on your way up as we continue to walk up on the waterfall walk. As you can see, that's the first waterfall in the distance that we're making his way up to. Let's give you a bit of an idea what it's like around here. That is Pecca Falls. The water does look quite low today. It's a clothing woodland. It's just absolutely bliss. This is a bit higher up. This is still Pecca Falls, but this is the top two tiers. But I don't know whether you can see from here, it falls all the way down. It's quite busy here, so a few little snippets in between. I've got a shot on the bridge. I'm thinking, bit of an intimate shot just down there. We'll see how that turns out. Now climbing up and up. Bit of a viewing area for the top of Pecca Falls. Up here, it is quite hard to get close to get a shot. Obviously, we have lots of safety. Safety is the main concern, but I don't fancy getting over that edge to get a shot of there, so we'll make our way up to the next part. find me now. I'm just hiding up one side of the fence and the camera's at the other. That's what we're getting now. Like I say, I've got the blinkers on, but leads up from the right, round. I can't get the camera any wider really, as it is very well dodgy stacked. We have now got a bit of a higher vantage point, looking down on the top part. As you can see, now making his way up into the trees, but you've got great views all over. Now just making his way to the next waterfall after Pecca Falls. So we'll see what we'll come across next time. Got some plenty of trees and stuff around here. A bit of mist, and who knows what could happen. Well, we've made it to Ingleton Falls. As you can see, it's quite loud. I'm going for something like this. A few little cascades. Don't know if you can see that or not. Like a few little cascades, and then leading up to the main falls itself. But cracking view. It is quite low at the minute, so it is maybe quite hard to get a decent shot. But we're going to make us way further up and see what other cascades are up there. Here we are at another one. I think this is Beasley Falls, and show you what we're set up with. I'm zoomed in about 18mm. Just getting the falls on the right hand side, coming in from the right, leading up to the main falls up there. So I'll put this up for you now, and hope you like it. By the way, it's a cracking area, is this. Cost us £8 to get in, but yeah, well worth it. Pretty busy though. This is bank holiday Sunday and it's time to get busy now, even though we are early. another one, literally just come around the corner from Beasley Falls. We'll come across this. A nice little left bend swirling down there. I've got the camera quite low, so fingers crossed this will come out nice. It'll be very green and the Fuji just loves the green. Oh, literally walked 10 yards. As you can see, it was over there, and now come here, another best bend, this time leading me up to that falls coming over at the top end there. So hopefully wide open on the Fuji at 10mm, so another shot in the bag. We'll come further down now. We'll come across another composition which I think worked quite well. This time, portrait version on there. I'm going to miss all this clag out on the left hand side. Although there'll be some nice little swirls going on, but a bit too messy. But focusing straight on the middle, getting the falls from the bottom, leading all the way up. And hopefully I'll show you this now. I will try and get a shot here, but it is a viewing platform only. That's down the other side. If I manage to get a shot, I'll pop it up now for you. Hopefully this little pathway is going to take us near the edge somewhere, so let's go have a look and see where it takes us. Well, I've looked down near the edge. Reminds me a little bit of the Strid, Bolton Abbey. Sorry if you can see that properly, but that's currently the composition I've got. Really the only one from here, as it is quite overgrown. As you can tell, it is all fenced off for safety. We are quite high up, so I'll pop this one up now. to the end of the waterfalls walk now. I think this is the last bridge that we're going to cross. So I'll end it now. I hope you've liked this vlogger from me, Darren Morehouse, aka Ginger Captured. And what a way to end the vlog on a view like this. So, hope you've enjoyed this. I'll see you again next time.